Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Litchfield local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers helps plan and move your belongings irrespective of how far you are moving. If you are moving over a distance of 50 miles, it is a long-distance move. A long-distance move requires detailed and intelligent planning. Moving trucks also play an essential role in the success of a long-distance move. Our moving trucks are specially constructed to accommodate belongings of different weights and shapes. Our trucks are also solid and well-maintained. They transport your belongings with no hassles. Although local relocation is usually perceived as uncomplicated, it is advisable to prepare appropriately. You need movers that know the layout of the road network in Litchfield CT and can move swiftly to your new location. 3 Movers has movers and drivers that are dedicated to the success of your move. Customer satisfaction is our top priority, which is why our mode of operation is customer-friendly. Our prices are also budget-friendly, ranging between $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Litchfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.